I have just started getting interested in wood carving. Do you have suggestions or a list of chisels I should start with? Oh, absolutely. That's what you have to get. Just a knife. That would be your first and the most important tool. Once you master your knife, then you can just get your first gouge. In reality, you can do 99% of lots of work with just a knife. Yes, more professional you get, more professional tools you're gonna get. But like I said, my master told me, until I master a knife is your friend, okay? So you have to just master with the knife. And I do have actually like couple projects online with just a knife. Oh, by the way, right here. That was just done with pretty much with the knife. And that is available on my school site, schoolofwoodcarving.com. So that is only one knife. That's it. Well, maybe I used a small gouge later on. But with the knife, if you just start it, you can do a lot of... Obviously, you cannot do anything complex like those guys with just a knife, but you can do a lot of stuff.